Ava, and I live in LA, and my brother's birthday's on March 15th, and I love you guys. Hi, my birthday's on March 15th, and I live in LA. Thank you. Hi. My dad's found we do scary movies, and Adam's Day, and all the teachers, they live in a haunted house. Every people live in a haunted house, they choose all the haunted house they want. Because there's demons in there. The demons in the haunted house. Sorry, I gotta fix my hair. Just like the feel.